Hi, welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off Google Newsfeed on Android and guide you through the steps to remove it from your Home tab. This is a simple process that will help keep your home screen clean. Now let's get started. Step 1, swipe over to the Google Newsfeed on the Home tab of your Android device. This is where the feed normally appears next to your main home screen. Accessing it is the first step to managing the feed. Step 2, tap the top right corner of the screen to open the menu. This gives you access to settings and other options for your feed. Step 3, select settings from the menu that appears. This section allows you to control how the feed behaves and what content it shows. Step 4, tap other settings in the settings panel. This gives you more detailed options related to content and personalization. Step 5, find the Discover option, which is related to your interests on the Home tab. This controls the feed that shows news and articles. Step 6, toggle or disable Discover to turn off the Google News feed. This will stop content from appearing in the side panel of your home screen. Step 7, go back to the Home tab and swipe to the side to confirm that the Discover feed is turned off. This ensures that the change has taken effect. Step 8, to permanently disable it, go back and open the main settings app. Then find and tap on home screen. From the options, find and toggle off Google Discover. This will fully remove the feed from your Home tab. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful Android tips and tutorials.